In our daily lives, many people are troubled by time, constantly torn between the past and the future, struggling to find balance. This turmoil stems from our excessive attachment to the past and future. Swinging back and forth, being indecisive, and neglecting the present all contribute to an imbalanced life. So, how can we overcome this problem? Firstly, we need to recognize the importance of the present moment. Only the present is real and tangible. The past and future can never replace the significance of the present. Instead of dwelling on past regrets and mistakes or excessively anticipating the future, cherishing the present and seizing the moment is undoubtedly the wiser choice. Secondly, the future is not something we can control at will. No matter how hard we try, it is challenging to predict all changes and uncertainties. Therefore, we should not waste excessive energy on envisioning the future, as it will cause us to neglect the present. Instead, we can enhance our efficiency and avoid regrets by planning for the future, but without relying too heavily on or obsessing over it. Regarding how to handle the relationship between the past and the future, we need to recognize that the significance of the past lies in learning from experiences and avoiding repeating mistakes. The value of the future lies in its infinite possibilities and endless potential. Past mistakes should not hinder our progress, just as the future is full of unknowns, and we should not excessively worry. We should be prepared for change but not overly anxious. Time flies, and life is often full of uncertainties and unexpected events. However, in the face of these uncertainties, we need to learn to unravel them, to distinguish truth from fiction. Only then can we break taboos and create ourselves. Firstly, let's start with the disasters that are already certain and highly likely to occur. These disasters undoubtedly bring the greatest fear and distress to people. However, due to their high predictability, we can take measures to prevent them. As Mr. Foster said, worry only about those things that are certain. The rest is as light as a cloud. This is the best interpretation of our life philosophy. In contrast, those seemingly random or uncertain future risks are actually more threatening, like unforeseen ghosts that could silently disrupt our lives. Many people choose to stick to the status quo, worry excessively, and fear gains and losses to create a sense of security. However, these future risks are not inherently unimaginable, they only appear mysterious due to their unpredictable nature. Through rational thinking and contingency planning, we can minimize their impact. However, at the same time, we must understand that the specific timing of these uncertain events is often hard to predict. We should not let unwarranted anxiety deprive us of the rhythm of our present lives, leading to prolonged tension and unease. Lastly, we need to recognize that life is meant to be a dynamic balance. If we are too fearful of potential storms and viruses of anxiety, our quality of life will deteriorate. Therefore, we should prioritize and balance our focus, not only paying attention to the potential catastrophic events but also maintaining a love for and positive attitude toward normal life. Goethe once said, "I hope for nothing." Although these words may seem simple, they hold profound wisdom. In his view, only by letting go of all desires and returning to the essence of life can we experience spiritual tranquility, which is the foundation of happiness. For us, tranquility is not just about a calm living environment, it is also about the pursuit of inner peace. Life is indeed full of storms, but we must learn to diminish imperfections, find opportunities within difficulties, and face challenges with optimism. It is worth noting that at all times and in all places, we should maintain a positive and optimistic attitude towards life. Laugh with laughter when it's time to laugh, and lift your head up when your eyes are filled with tears. Just as the embrace of all rivers is tolerance, let go of burdens and allow our souls to be liberated and find joy and honor in every step of life's journey. In conclusion, life is like flowing water, never stagnant, never turning back. Each moment of inspiration and surprise is unique and cannot be measured by money or material possessions. Therefore, we should cherish the present, resist the negative mentality of tomorrow, and make each day fulfilling and meaningful. In the days to come, may we all bravely face challenges, seize opportunities, and leave behind precious memories on the limited journey of life. Time flies, so let's cherish the present and move forward together, embracing the beautiful gifts that life offers us.